All right, guys, are you looking for a 4-bedroom with a loft priced at $430,000? Well, you're gonna wanna stay tuned. Today, we're at Magnolia Bay by DR Horton, and we are gonna be touring the Plan 1865, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, guys, so welcome to Magnolia Bay by DR Horton. Now, this community just opened up this past weekend, okay? Now, to give you an idea of where we're located, we're here in North Las Vegas. We're about 30 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. We're about 12 miles away from the airport, I believe. And the nearest cross street is going to be North 5th Street and Ann Road, okay? Now, guys, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 3 different floor plans here. So this is the Bay collection. Anytime you see the DR Horton Bay, it's always like the 3 same floor plans, you guys. You're gonna have the 1715, the 1795, the 1865, okay? So the prices are gonna range from $407,990 all the way up to $428,990. Now, guys, those prices that you see on the screen, that is out the door. There is no options, no available, no upgrades, okay? No lot premiums. What you see is what you get. DR Horton, they're all spec homes. So as soon as you get into contract, you'll close on your house in about 2 to 3 months, okay? Guys, great thing about DR Horton as well, refrigerators included, washers, dryers included, as well as blinds. So that's quite the savings, especially when you move into a new house. And a couple things you guys need to know about the community is the HOA is $56 a month, okay? There's no master plan here. There's no SIS, there's no lids. The HOA is just the 56. They're gonna have 156 homes here, and the average lot square feet is gonna be about 3,100, okay? So you're looking about at a 35 feet wide lot, and the backyard is gonna be about 18 feet deep, okay? Yeah, guys, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the Plan 1865. Now, this is gonna be a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and the price starting as of today is $428,990. Now, guys, everything is included in that price, okay? So what you see is what you get. No, no added expenses in that price there. Okay, guys. So paver driveway, desert landscaping, you'll get that. Not these security cameras. That's actually, that belongs to the, it's only there for security reasons. Entry door right over here. Now, this video doorbell, that is included, you guys. Okay. So welcome in. You're gonna have 8-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. You're also gonna get the 2-panel doors, okay? The 3-inch door casings right here. So you'll have your coat closet, smart panel box. That's where you connect your internet router and your modem. It's gonna be your Cat 6 cables. Now, guys, the walls here. So you're gonna have that round corner edging. As far as the door heights, it's going to be 6 by 7. But yeah, guys, which is great is you're not going to get any carpet on the first floor, so you're going to get a vinyl just like this. Okay, you also get a quartz countertop, and you're going to have the either, because they do spec homes here, you guys, so you're either going to get this white quartz, or it's going to be like a gray quartz. It's either these gray cabinets or the white cabinets, okay? They kind of rotate between the 2 colors. Accent walls, the curtains, all of those are not included, but you will get the refrigerator, washer, dryer, as well as you'll have like blinds for all the windows, which is really nice, guys. Okay, so immediately you're saving money by not having to spend on the appliances and the blinds. As far as the backyard here, again, the average lot square feet is going to be about 3,100. So you're looking at like an 18 feet deep backyard. It's going to be 35 feet wide as well. Okay, 18 feet deep. Now the nice thing is these cabinets are soft closing. Okay, as you can see. You will have the Whirlpool appliance package. So you got the dishwasher, you get the refrigerator, the oven, the microwave. Okay, stainless steel under basin sink, Moen faucet right here. The microwaves, they do vent outside. Okay. All right. All right, guys, so yeah, again, check that out. Nice open layout. Okay, right here you're gonna have your pantry, as well as it's like a storage space here. So yeah, I'll show you guys. Ends right about there. Okay. Also right here, you're gonna have the Honeywell thermostat. And you're gonna have this thing right here. So this is, you could do a lot of things here. For example, you could lock the doors, unlock them. It's for the security system. Powder room, it's right over here. Pedestal sink. Okay. Now this is the door to the garage. Okay, so this is what you see as soon as you walk up. Now you do have this landing area right here. Okay, so straight ahead you're gonna have your loft. Pretty good sized loft. To the left you're gonna have your primary bedroom, and then you're gonna have your laundry room. And then we'll start out over here. You're gonna have your 3 guest bedrooms, okay? You also have attic access right up there. All bedrooms are gonna have a transfer grill, which is those things right here. It's gonna help regulate the airflow. So you guys, 1, 2, 3. Now all these rooms are gonna be about, they're gonna be a 10 by 10. Again, 8-foot ceilings on both levels, first floor and second floor. Okay. Standard closet right here. I said they made this like an office space. So yeah, most likely buyers that buy this house are gonna make one of these, one of the rooms their office. Okay. Check it out. All right. Now over here, you're gonna have your full bath. Okay. We do have the single sink, guys. Okay, the cabinets. This is gonna be your shower tub combo. All right. And you're gonna have your toilet right here. Okay. Your Honeywell thermostat is going to be right here. Controls the temperature upstairs. Now this is going to be the laundry room. So So you're gonna have room for linens right over here. And then again, guys, washer and dryer is included. Right, in most new build communities, from most builds, they you know, the refrigerator, washer and dryer are not included. So it's nice that they are here. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. So as you can see, very spacious here. This is going to be a king size bed. Also, with the lights in any of the bedrooms, you could actually switch that out for a ceiling fan. Now guys, if you are interested in a new build community such as this, let me know, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text, or if you're working with a realtor, at least let your realtor know. The very first time you visit a new build community, just make sure they're with you, so that way you could be registered under them. If you go to a new build community and you go there by yourself and you give them your information, they won't let you have representation down the road. And you definitely want representation because it's at really a no cost to you, but the builder agents have a fiduciary relationship with the builders. What we do for you, so that means we negotiate for you, we hold the builders accountable, we make sure you get the max builder incentives, and the builders pay the agent fees. So it's definitely a win-win for you. Primary bath, dual sinks, drop-in sinks. Okay, so you got your shower. So we have your linen closet here. Okay, so your toilet room. And then we have your walk-in closet. Okay. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, if you guys have any questions or if you are looking for a realtor, someone who will help you with your home buying process, give me a call, guys, or shoot me a text. My info is on the description below, but until then, I will catch you guys next video.